Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to turn one of these little tinsel snowmen from the Dollar Tree into a fun coastal snowman using Dollar Tree rope. So the first thing I'm doing is I took it all apart. There's just little rings keeping it together, and I went ahead and removed all of the tinsel from it. This is the 6-foot rope from the Dollar Tree. It doesn't really matter which one you use, they have different kinds. And just starting in the middle of one of the snowman pieces, I just hot glue it to the cage. I love these tinsel items from the Dollar Tree because you get these great cages in the exact shape that you want, and it saves you a lot of work. And so I am just gluing to the cage wherever I can kind of find a good spot. I do want every circle to be glued down, so this is going to be hanging on the wall. I don't want any of the rope coming off. And I just keep going until I cover up all of the plastic in the cage. If you have any of the tabs sticking out, they're really easy to cut off as well. But that is the first part of the snowman. I'm going to do the second thing here. I find it easiest to start in the middle and go outward with the rope. And I'm just going to cover all three parts of the snowman with the Dollar Tree rope. And again, trimming off any little tabs that you might be able to see along the outside. You can cut those off before you add the rope if you want. And then for the top, I'm going to do the same thing for the face of the snowman. Um, but not necessarily the hat part of the snowman. As you can see, it's all one piece on there. And I just go around. I'm going to hide the end of that one right there underneath the hat. For the hat, I want it to be coastal, so I wanted to do a coastal color. I'm actually using one of the baby blankets from the Dollar Tree. I just double it up using the seam for the top there of the snowman hat. And then I'm going to use another piece of it doubled up like this, again using the seam to make the brim of the snowman hat. And I just attach it all with hot glue. Super easy to do. If you want more traditional snowman, you could always do it black with maybe some of the black felt or the black leather from their purses from the Dollar Tree, or the black faux leather that is 50 cents right now. For the face, of course, it's a coastal snowman, so we're going to use seashells. I even found a long pointy one for my shell stash that would be a perfect little carrot nose that I glue right there in the middle. I use some smaller seashells here for the smile, and you can get these seashells are from the Dollar Tree, the small ones. You can also get those on Amazon. You can get a ton of them for $8, I think. I'm also going to use seashells for the buttons of the snowman because, again, I wanted a coastal snowman with the rope and the seashells. I think I got just that. With the little hooks that's on there, I went ahead and put the snowman back together, some twine for a hanger, and we have an adorable coastal snowman. I absolutely love it so far. Now for the scarf, I'm going to use that same baby blanket. I'm just going to cut off a strip that would be about right for a scarf and wrap that around our little snowman neck. Easy peasy. And the great thing about the felt is it doesn't really fray when you cut it. For the snowman arms, I'm using some of the Dollar Tree's wired jute to make little branches. You could also use branches if you wanted, but I thought this would be a coastal touch because its skin looks like rope. And I just cut off some smaller pieces to wrap around for little hands. You do have to be kind of careful when you cut that stuff. You might want to Mod Podge it first. For more winter or Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!